You've modeled errors as values, killed null, composed the happy path, but 2 slips still get past review. A result you forgot to handle, and a maybe you unwrapped without checking. Trellis ships analyzers that catch both as you type. Let me show you. First, the silent one. A signed task returns a result, but here the line just ignores it. Any failure vanishes. That's Trellis 1, a warning the moment you type it. A result return value is not handled. The fix is to handle it, return it, match it, bind it. And if you really do mean to drop it, there's discard, the explicit marker that says you chose to. Never throw to get rid of it. Now the dangerous one. Member.email is a maybe, it might be empty. Reaching for .value can throw. So Trellis hides value from IntelliSense, and the analyzer makes this an error, not a warning. It breaks the build. The fix. Guard with HasValue. Use try_get_value, or turn the maybe into a result with ToResult. Absence becomes a typed error on the railway. And they're not just warnings, many carry fixes. Remember map versus bind? If you map with a result returning lambda, you get a result of a result. Trellis 2 spots it, and the light bulb rewrites map to bind for you in 1 click. The analyzer doesn't just complain, it corrects. 56 rules ship in the box: dropped results, unsafe maybe access, double wrapping, async mix-ups. By default, some are warnings, some errors. One line in editorconfig promotes any of them to an error, so a slip fails the build in your IDE and in CI. And it's build time only. The analyzers never flow to the people who consume your library. The compiler becomes your most patient reviewer. And that's the railway. Over this series, we made errors values, killed null, modeled a closed set of errors, composed the happy path, validated in bulk, went async and parallel, and handled collections. The analyzers make sure it stays that way, for you, and for any AI working in your codebase. Next series, domain-driven design with Trellis. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you there.